Stocks, cash, charts, limits, red, green, something you ain't never seen. Welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV. You can join the group. 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 First things first, ACB, we all about it. That's a roller, that's a score. Ain't no other way around it. Grew the channel from a minor to a major. Yeah, we players in the damn game. Now they wanna pay us. You wanna advertise your stock? You can come and holler. We got members that are ready to drop all them dollars. Back it up, we could back it up. 20,000 subscribers, oh my God, you can add it up. Comment below, getting all the dough. Sell it up high, then we buy it down low. We brought you pivot, we the shits there. What's your decision? Either standing or you sitting. Making so many videos, I'm like, here we go. So many controls, damn, I'm like, adios. We staying positive, all the members are dope too. If you wanna get big money, we can show you. Welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV. What we talk about: stocks, cash, charts, limits, red, green, something you ain't never seen. Welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV. You can join the group. 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 We in the second round. Look where I am. He told you what to get. Yeah, he told you about Bam. Getting busy. Getting busy. They wonder about him. Like, who is he? The market crazy. Manipulation. I'm finna get this money. It's all a determination. Good weed, good weed. I roll it up, I smoke it up, I'm like, ooh wee. Look back, who you think brought you chemistry? Now it's up 100%, that's the recipe. That's the antidote, damn, yeah, your man is dope. Watch me dance, I'ma prance like an antelope. Xena, you know that we been blessed. I'm talking about the stock, not the warrior princess. Watch the big stocks rocking through the roof. And if you looking for winners, you can fucking join the group. Welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV. What we talk about: stocks, cash, charts, limits, red, green, something you ain't never seen. Welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV. You can join the group. 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 Welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV. What we talk about: stocks, cash, charts, limits, red, green, something you ain't never seen. Welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV. You can join the group. 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 You can join the group.
Community is blessed with ill kid dropping hits, epics, 24/7. It's true. Rich TV Live and ill kid.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. Thank you guys for joining from all over the world. We are just going to talk today about how to make money in 2020. Now, if you guys don't know, I now am part of a trading academy. It is a global academy. There's 100,000 students in this academy worldwide in 100 countries. And I can make money now buying everything: gold, oil, Bitcoin, Facebook, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Tesla, Amazon, Google. We could trade Forex. Forex looks like this: USD, CAD, for example. You can do US Canadian pairings, and there's so much money to be made, and absolutely love it. So for those of you guys that have joined the academy, I believe we have 18 members now in multiple countries already. Hey man, I'm excited to work with you guys. Thank you guys for joining, and thank you guys for actually taking care of your future and realizing that you don't want a boss. You want to take back your freedom, and you want to make money from your phone. I don't know if you guys notice what I'm doing, but I'm setting myself up for the future, guys. I'm on YouTube. I'm on my phone trading, And I now have the ability to make money virtually. I have no boss. I don't have an office. I can essentially make money anywhere in the world where I can make videos and I can trade off my phone. So as long as I have Wi-Fi, I can now operate and grow my business. I don't have to be in Vancouver. I don't have to be in Canada. I can literally make money now anywhere in the world, and I've set myself up virtually where I have more freedom than anybody I know. I don't got a boss. I don't have to sell any product. I don't even have to leave my home to make money. All I gotta do is turn on my phone and start trading, or turn on my camera and start filming. I'll be honest with you guys. I mean, this is the way everyone should want to live. I can't tell people how to live or what to do, but I love the freedom that I have now, and I'm excited about working with you guys if you want to take back your freedom. And if you feel like you don't have enough freedom and you want freedom, email me, richtvlive@gmail.com. I will walk you through how you can start taking advantage of 2020, which is a world where we can make money from our phone. You no longer have to go to a job. You don't got to spend money on gas. You no longer have to do sales. You no longer have to do anything. You can literally make money without talking to anybody off your phone. It's crazy. You know, I'm going to do a trade right now. Why the hell not, right? Why not do a trade live? So let's trade some gold. I'm going to trade some gold because I've been killing it on gold. I'm really liking gold. I've fallen in love with gold. So obviously, if you guys know me, you know I love digital gold. Look at this gold. This is crazy. Look at this gold. You want to buy some gold? You want to talk about making money easy? Just buy gold, man. It's just going up every day. You want to see silver? I can buy silver too. Here's silver. Silver's also climbing up every day. I made a couple trades with you guys live. All those trades went up. I made money on every single one of those trades. That was on Sunday. I bought gold, I bought silver, I bought oil. I made money on all 4 trades. I was 4 for 4. So let's do it again. Now, honestly, silver and gold are up right now. I'm going to wait for them to bounce back down. I want to wait for a dip. If I see it dips down, then I'll definitely take it. Let's take a look at Forex Factory. And by the way, guys, if there's any picks you want me to look at, please give me your picks and we will look at them live. Any picks, stocks, crypto, metals. We can essentially look at anything now in the stock market, which is pretty exciting. So let's take a look at some metals here and let's look at gold. We'll look at the gold chart. So you can see here, this is the gold chart. This is Forex Factory. And you can see gold's been bouncing around. It hit a low actually of 555 last night. Amazing entry right here. I was watching it like a hawk. That was the time to buy. If you bought it at 1555, which was the low, you would have made a killing on the run up back to 1570. And as you can see, there's been some consolidations down to like 1562, 1563. That's where you buy, guys. 1565. These are the buy ranges. And right now, as you can see, it is peaking. It is flying. I'm not going to chase it up here at these levels at 1571. That's very suicidal. I'm also not going to short gold because gold's got power. Like, why would I short something that's screaming? Okay? I'm not going to do that. That's suicidal. I'm not going to short gold. Okay? I'm only going to long gold because it's in an escalation pattern, and because it's been in this escalation pattern where it just keeps going higher and higher and higher, I'm just buying dips. So every time it dips down, I'll buy it, and then it'll jump up and I'll sell. It'll dip down, I'll buy it, it'll jump up and it'll sell. Because it's at 1572 and it's the highest it's been in this range, like literally in 7 years. Gold is the highest it's been in 7 years. I'm not going to rush to buy it at 1572. Now, yeah, it could run to 1600, but I don't know that for a fact. We've seen it go as low as 1555 last night. So that would be where I would like to buy it. I'd like to buy it around 1560. Might not go there, might keep going higher, but I don't want to chase at these levels because if I chase it at all-time highs, there's very good likelihood it's going to come back and retract. And when it does, you're going to get hurt. So what I want to do is I want to wait for it to dip down. I want to wait for it to get to these levels. You can see the lowest it's been since 3 a.m. this morning is 1563. I would love to buy it at 1563 and then ride it back up to 1570 range. You can make a small killing. Even with a small amount of money, if you buy it at 1563 and sell it at 1570, 1571, 1572, you can literally make a killing. Hey, listen, infinite possibilities. If you want your freedom back, email me at richtvlive@gmail.com. I will show you how you can join the Trading Academy. You can become a member and you can learn how to make money off of your phone and literally trade anything and everything. Guys, I can literally trade anything and everything. Let's go to metals. Let's go to silver USD. Silver, you'll see it's very similar to gold. So it had a dip last night as well, went to 1803, great entry. And right now it's at 1830. So that's a huge move up, okay? And it's trading very similar to gold. As you can see, it's still climbing. See these white candlesticks? That is buying. And see these dark candlesticks? That's selling. This is all buying up. The market opened up, and as soon as the market opened up, all we've seen is silver go higher, and we are seeing the same thing. See the green candlesticks? That's buying. Red is selling. So red is down, green is up. As you can see, there's a lot more buying than selling. At some point, this will turn, and we will see the green turn to red, and we will see it will fall. Let's take a look at oil. Oil was climbing up nicely. It's had this little pullback here. Okay, so oil is pulling back a little bit, but typically after it pulls back, you will see it will go back in the green. That's what it's been doing. It's been escalating and climbing lately. Yeah, I'll look at anything you guys want, man. Possible to look at T-God and Agroflora. You have 3 kilos of physical gold bars. That's great. Can't go wrong with gold. Remember, everything is measured by gold. Gold is the standard. Gold is a precious metal. Gold is something you can actually touch. Bitcoin is digital gold and cannabis is green gold. So I love all gold. I love all investments. I love all investing and all financial instruments that exist for investing. So as far as I'm concerned, wow, look at this. Silver's just flying, folks. Look at silver go. Wow. I almost want to take a silver trade, but I feel like it's dangerous. Like I could ride the momentum. Wow, gold is just ripping. Holy smokes. Look, gold's at 1573. It is climbing while we are live. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. I do believe there's going to be a pullback. I'm not going to chase it at these levels, but I would like to pick it up on the pullback. How much money do you have to trade? I just started with $200. I just wanted to get comfortable trading. I'm not really worried about how much money I make trading right now. I'm more focused on building my business. We have 18 members and growing. We've got members in the United States, the UK, and Canada. I just have another member that just joined from Toronto today. I have another member that is looking to join in Vegas. We got members messaging me every day on all social media wanting to join the Academy. So I'm very excited about that. It costs $199 to get your website and join the Academy, US. That's a one-time fee. And then it costs $164 a month to get ongoing training and support. Once you have 2 members on your team, you no longer pay the $164 a month and you start making money. So now I'm at a point where I'm making around $600 US a month off my team. I don't have to pay anything and I'm now already making money. And I've only been doing this for a month and I only just started with $200 in my account and I'm now winning every day on gold. And once I get very comfortable trading gold, oil, Bitcoin, silver, and Forex, and Facebook, Visa, TELUS, everything, with the Academy, I'm going to bump my account up to $2,000. And then my goal right now is I'm making between 30 to 50 US a day with $200. My goal is to move it up to $2,000 and make $300 to $500 a day. Well, my first goal really is to make $100 a day, which I'm getting close to. Once I get to $100 a day, I want to grow to $1,000 a day. Once I'm making $1,000 a day, I can literally go anywhere in the world and make money off my phone. So that's my goal. That's what I want for myself, for my future. I want to take back my freedom. I'm selling a bunch of properties. And I just want my future and my freedom back. And I'm setting myself for that. So pretty excited about it. Look at this. Gold is falling, guys. Like I said, gold is literally falling as we speak. Look at this. I want to show you this. This is silver. And gold is dropped back down to 1571, just like that. So remember I told you it was going up. It's going to come back down. So I assume it's going to come back down at least to 1568. But I wouldn't be surprised to see it come back down even to 1563. Once I see it consolidate back down and come back to these levels, I'll look to take a trade. I'll go back in and then ride it back up. Because gold seems to do that. It goes up, comes down. 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 It's almost predictable. But overall, it's been on this pattern where it's been going up more than it's been going down. Okay? So a lot of people say, oh, why do you got to pay for the academy? Guys, you're not going to get training anywhere in the world without paying for it. If you want to go to school and you want to get a degree, you got to pay for it. So the way I look at it is the $200 a month or the $3,000 a year to be a part of a trading academy where you can build a business and make money trading, I think is a small investment in myself. And because I've already made that small investment in myself, I've already made all my money back and then some. And my goal this year with my trading academy is to make $100,000 US just in my trading academy. Forget all my other businesses, forget my real estate, forget all my other businesses that I'm building. Just in the trading academy alone, my goal this year is to make $100,000. I'd like to make 50 grand from building my business and growing our team, and at least 50 grand from trading this year. So that's my goal, and I'm working really hard every day to learn more, teach our members, and grow this business. And I'd love for you guys to be a part of it and grow with me. I'm not really trading gold stocks right now. I'm not. I don't need to. I'm just trading gold. But yeah, I mean, there are a lot of gold stocks out there, and I'm sure they're all doing really well, and we can look at them. And I think you guys were asking, someone was asking for T-God. Let's take a look at T-God. Now, T-God has been getting destroyed, obviously, like the entire cannabis sector. The best advice I can give you guys right now is don't put your money in this garbage. This is just pure garbage. Why are you going to go and risk your money in something that's at 66 cents, down 4%, and is making no money? So my advice to you guys with the cannabis sector is it has been a nightmare in 2019. 2020, if I do invest in cannabis stocks, which I haven't yet, but if I do invest in cannabis stocks in 2020, it'll be only the best. It won't be these types of deals that are just obliterated. I'm not interested at all in any of this crap. I already got a lot of these types of deals in my portfolio that I'm holding. I'm not interested in adding any more. I keep saying this. I don't know why everybody keeps beating a dead horse. The cannabis sector isn't what I thought it would be. And 2019 wasn't the year it should have been for me. I'm sure it wasn't the year it should have been for you if you're buying cannabis. I'm not going to make that same mistake in 2020. 2020 for me is about diversification. And for our community is about diversification. I'm not going to keep beating a dead horse and talking about T-God every day when T-God is getting crushed. Like, T-God has been a nightmare. Look at this. From $5 to 66 cents. What do I think about T-God? I think it's a piece of shit. Let's be honest. You guys want to know my honest opinion? T-God is a piece of shit. Now, the company itself might one day be good, but the stock itself absolutely is horrendous. That's what I think about T-God. Okay? Agra, it's another joke. I own this company. It's been a nightmare. They've just been going down, 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 down. Another nightmare. Gone from 75 cents to 8 cents in 1 year. Like, what do I think about it? I think it's absolute garbage. That's the truth. You guys want to know the truth? I'm here to tell you guys the truth, man. Agriflora is absolute trash. Now, could it be a good business one day? Absolutely. But right now, the stock is absolute trash. And I'm saying this as a shareholder because I am not here to have you guys lose. I'm not. I'm not here to have you guys lose. I will give you my honest opinion. You give me a pick, I'll give you my opinion. Even if the stock is one that I own, I'm going to tell you what I truly feel. I think Agriflora as a company could be good. But right now, as it stands, the stock is absolute trash. If you ask me, Rich, should I invest in Agriflora? My answer will 100% of the time be no. I'm just being honest with you guys. It's 100% going to be no. What other picks? You guys have any other picks you want me to look at? If you guys are interested in joining the Academy, just email me at richtvlive@gmail.com and I will have one of my representatives actually sit down with you, walk you through the entire process, how to sign up, how to join, how to get set up so that you can start trading and making money right away and building your business, your trading business, which I believe is the future. I believe more and more people do not want a boss. More and more people do not want to talk to anybody. More and more people do not want to leave their home. More and more people do not want to sell anything. More and more people just want to make money from their phone. Well, guess what? I can make money from my phone, and now you can make money from your phone, and it's a few $100s away from you being able to take back your freedom. Why wouldn't you do that? I mean, the few $100s is nothing compared to what people lost in the cannabis sector. I know people that have lost hundreds of thousands of dollars in the cannabis sector, and they still want to talk to me about cannabis. And I'm like, why are you still talking to me about cannabis? You've lost hundreds of thousands of dollars, and you still want to talk to me about cannabis? Okay, well, let's look at a cannabis stock that's actually doing well today, Boss. Congratulations to anybody that's taking advantage of this. These guys are getting into magic mushrooms. These guys are getting into mushrooms. They had a news release today. We were talking about it in our Telegram. Congratulations to Amanda and any members that are in this pick. As you guys can see here with my indicators, they're all pointing up. All my indicators are pointing up. The CMF indicator's pointing up. The ROC indicator's pointing up. The OBV indicator's pointing up. And the CCI indicator is pointing up. And as you can see, yield growth is shooting right up 17% on 1.7 million shares of volume. Congratulations to anyone who's taking advantage of this move on yield growth. Carmelo says, hey Rich, how about the gold stocks, ETFs, junior miners, any good ones to look at? Yeah, I think there's tons. There's tons. There's tons of deals that we can look at. Give me the picks and we'll look at them. Aftermath Silver, AAG, a silver stock in Canada, might be interesting, though very risky. Let's take a look at AAG. Aftermath Silver, 43 cents. So yeah, they've had a huge run here from 9 cents to a high of 52 cents. Currently come back a little bit at 43 cents. Let's go to bar chart. AAG. Aftermath Silver. Let's see what bar chart thinks. So there isn't a ton of support in the market. It's up 32% in the last month. Aftermath Silver Limited is a Canadian-based exploration stage company. The business activity of the group includes acquisition, exploration, and development of mineral properties. The company holds an interest in Chenil and Chalacolo properties. The company operates in one segment, being the acquisition and exploration of mineral properties. Shares outstanding, what is 77 million? 34 million market cap. Research and development company. Little to no revenue from what I see here, but 54% growth in 1 year. Looks okay. I'd rather just buy gold. I'm not going to lie to you. I'd much rather buy gold than these businesses right now that are just research and development opportunities. There's too much risk. What is the ticker for the inverse ETF to HMMJ? What's the short ETF? Oh, man. Short. Inverse. Man, I haven't looked at that in so long. What the hell is the symbol again? Do you guys know the symbol of the cannabis short ETF? Here it is. HMJI. Sorry, guys. I haven't looked at this one in so long. The HMJI climbed up. It's been as high as $42. November 19th. Remember I told you guys that November 18th was the bottom for the cannabis sector? That was when this was at its highest peak. It's consolidated down as low as 32, and it's back to 38.55. This is the trade. If you think the cannabis sector is going to continue to go down, you can buy the Beta Pro Marijuana Inverse ETF HMJI. Ricker F says BLOZF. Thoughts? The education we are receiving is priceless. Thank you, Ricker. I appreciate you, bro. BLOZF. Everything I learn, I'm going to teach you guys. And if you guys join the academy, you guys will not only be able to learn, but you guys will be able to actually teach others. Cannabis Technologies, man. These guys have been making moves, man. Huge moves. Up 30% again today. And this is because these guys have a breathalyzer for cannabis. So very soon, as of now, legally across Canada, you are not allowed to drive and be high. BLOCF, Cannabis Technologies, has a product where the police officers can purchase their product, test you, and they can tell whether or not you've had any cannabis for over 4 hours. So if you smoke a joint at 9 a.m. this morning, you are not allowed to drive until at least 10, 11, 12, 1:30. It's 9:30. You're not allowed to legally drive until 1:30, 4 hours after you smoke a joint. If you do and they stop you and you take this breathalyzer, you will lose your license and your life could essentially be really, really difficult. So don't smoke and fly, because companies like BLOZF are going to take advantage of that and profit from it. That's why that stock is doing well today. What do I think about Uber? I think Uber is a pretty cool company. I just think that they're heavily in debt. That's why the stock has done poorly. And eventually they're going to find a floor. The question is, what is the floor? I mean, we may have already found it around $25. It's already come up to 32. So yeah, I think Uber's going to do very well. I think they'll only get bigger. They've been as high as 48. They've been as low as 25. They're currently at 32. I like Uber. I think that they go up from here. But at the same time, I don't know if I would be buying it at $32. I'd maybe like to wait for a dip and pick it up around 25, 26 if I could. So I'd be watching it. I wouldn't necessarily be buying this bump up here. Mind you, all the indicators are pointing up. So this is pretty bullish. For the most part, 3 out of the 4 indicators are pointing up. So it's pretty bullish here for Uber. But I think they have a future, guys. Companies like Uber, companies like Tesla, they have a future. I believe companies that have a future are going to grow. More and more people will invest in them. The stock market is supply and demand. So as long as these companies are growing, their revenues are growing, then chances are the stock will grow over time. More and more investors and institutions will buy it, and we can all profit from it. Companies like Apple. Why are Apple growing? Because they've got 5G technology. Everybody's got iPhones. Everybody has phones. That's why Apple is growing. Companies like Tesla. Why is Tesla growing? Because everybody's buying Teslas. Companies like Facebook. Why is Facebook growing? Facebook's making billions of dollars in ad revenue because they have billions of users. Companies that are going to keep growing, their stocks will keep growing. Let's be honest. Amazon, why did their stock explode? Because the company's the number one online store for sales. This is the way you need to think as an investor. If you invest in the best will be blessed. There's a reason why we came up with this, invest in the best. If you invest in the best will be blessed. 100% of the time. And the same thing goes in the cannabis sector. Don't buy garbage stocks. I've made that mistake myself and I've paid for it. And it sucks. So I'm just going to sit here now and wait for my cannabis stocks to come back. And I'm sure, I hope one day they do. But I'm not going to sit here and wait forever for them to come back. That's why I started the academy and I'm finding new ways to generate income while my cannabis stocks are maturing and developing and growing. I'm now making money trading everything else. And I've become way more diversified. And I truly believe I'm a much better overall investor. And I feel excited because I can buy anything and everything now. Whereas before, specifically in 2019, I had very much tunnel vision just for cannabis. And that was the biggest mistake of my year, to be quite honest with you, was having tunnel vision in cannabis. It was the worst possible thing to be doing when you look back. The worst. 2020 is going to be a great year for Patriot Technologies. Yeah, I like Patriot Technologies. What about NOK and MedMan? NOK and MedMan. Obviously, if you guys have been watching, you know that I like Nokia. So I think Nokia is going to do very well. Nokia is up 2%, 2.8% today. Coming off this bottom here, yeah, I love Nokia. 5G, right place at the right time for Nokia, huge. MedMan, I don't love them as much. I still think they're going to do well long term, but short term, they've been a nightmare. Another one of these stocks that came down from $5 last year to 60 cents. So the stock is trash. I'm not saying the company's trash, but the stock itself has been complete and utter trash for investors. So would I be buying this stock? Hell no. What about the MJ ETF? I like the MJ ETF, but like I said, right now, cannabis is not hot. It's near a bottom. So yeah, I think if you're looking long term, this is definitely a great time to get into cannabis, but I wouldn't expect results right away. Camelo says, I agree, T-God is terrible. They are losing money hand over fist. Their revenues were only $2 million. Doesn't justify their market cap. And because of that, the stock will continue to fall. Nicholas Cross says, hey, how you doing, Nicholas? Agriflora just signed a deal in Germany. They have 8% of the market. Yeah, and like I said, I own shares in Agriflora, but the stock has been nothing short of a nightmare because they still have no revenue. Steven Plustois says cmc.cn and BLOZF. Thank you for sharing your picks. Let's take a look at CMC. It's a waste company at 8 cents, up 6%. Cielo Waste Solutions. Looks interesting. Lucky Dog says, looking at my plants right now, growing in the closet, some old, same old, just grow your own, no tax. The only good thing about legalization is I can tell you about my 4 plants and not get in trouble. Legalization has not been good for the markets. Let's just be honest. Eric De Silva says, I just bought T-God and Meta. Let's take a look at Meta. Obviously, I brought you guys Meta at 17 cents. They've been an absolute winner, and they're currently at 31 cents. So I brought them to you guys around here, 17. They exploded up, went as high as 40, more than 100% up since my alert, and they are starting to consolidate down. I would say be patient. Let's see how low this thing goes. If this goes back to like 17 to 20 cents, I would definitely consider buying it again because that's the bottom. And if it jumps back up to around 30 cents again, I would sell, take my money and run, take 100% all day long. All day, every day. Floro says, why drive? Use a self-driving Tesla. Yeah, I don't know about the self-driving Tesla. I heard that they're crashing and stuff, so I don't know about that if I trust that, but it's nice to know that they have that type of technology, but I don't know if I'd be personally taking advantage of that. Just looking at the markets. Beyond Meat is up 8% today. For anyone that's interested in Beyond Meat, they had a major run up to $200, $233. Since then, they've been a shorter's dream. They've consolidated down to these levels, and I think they're going to bounce back up. So I wouldn't be surprised. See, this is like a floor that's being created here. As a trader, I look for this. See how this is shooting right up? They found their floor. That's why they're up 8% here. I would not be surprised to see this shoot back up to at least $100 to $120. I wouldn't be surprised to see Beyond Meat shoot back up between $100 to $120 based on what I see here. Lucky Dog says SDC, awesome move yesterday. Titty consolidation today. Move yesterday. A Walmart contract on watch list for gap fill to 11-ish. SDC. Thank you for your pick. SDC. Smile Direct Club. Is this the one you're talking about? Smile Direct Club. So yeah, I saw they had a big jump up, consolidate a little bit. They've been up as high as over $20. Yeah, this one looks good. This one looks good. As low as 7, as high as 20. Just had a nice little bump up to 10. I could see this going up to 12. I could see this going up to 12 without too much resistance. Let's take a look at gold again. No, it's still staying strong, man. It doesn't want to come down at all. It does not want to come down at all. Oh, it came down and now it's coming back up. It came down to 1571 and now it's coming back up. And now it's actually starting to consolidate back down a little bit. What other stocks are doing well today? If you guys want me to look at anything else, please, guys, share your picks. We'll look at them live. Interactive. I'll let you know what I think, if I think they're going to go up or down or sideways. So once again, cannabis stocks are down, guys. Just getting beat down consistently. So if you're going to stay in the cannabis sector, you may not get the results you want this year. If you want to have a huge year, my advice is diversify. I'm not going to have a year in 2020 like I did in 2019. I promise you that. I won't make those same mistakes because I was really focused on cannabis, and that was probably the worst thing you could do. If I was just focused on the broader markets, I would have made a killing. So I am making that mistake again. As you can see here in the cannabis sector, very few stocks are even green. We got a sea of red though. So, good luck trying to make money in a sector like this right now. It just isn't going to work for you. It just won't. Neurosis says, hi Rich, my limit order finally went through on Blueberry Medicals. I bought 15,000 shares at 13.5 cents. I originally was going for 20,000 at 12, but I ended up chasing it because I wanted in. I hope you win big, bro. Lucky Dog says, JNUG, nice move today. Nice move today. Clean breakout, going to consolidate back to VWAP, waiting for price break or nice flag. JNUG. So yeah, this is not where I want to be investing right now. This bloodbath. I mean, I learned that lesson last year. I ain't gonna make that mistake this year. That's just silly. And I mean, I can keep beating a dead drum, but I'm not going to. JNUG, $85, up 4%. Gold miners, interesting. Nice pick here. See how they've exploded from $34 last year to a high of 100? These are the types of plays we need to take advantage of. The momentum is there right now. Why would we be worried about cannabis stocks when the momentum is there right now? It's not to say that I'm not going to be talking about cannabis stocks. It's not to say that I'm not going to be interviewing cannabis companies. It's not to say that I'm not going to be buying cannabis stocks. I just think that right now, This second, there's better opportunities that exist. And if you don't diversify and open up your eyes to the entire market, you're probably not going to make money. And I mean, why are we investing? We invest to make money, right? So if you're losing money, then you need to change the way you trade. And that's why I changed the way I traded. Steve Feldman says, good to hear Rich admit going all in on cannabis in 2019 was a bad move. Learn and move on. Yeah. In life, isn't life filled with learning experiences? And if you touch a fire and you get burnt, are you going to touch that fire again? Probably not, right? So I invested heavily in cannabis and I got burnt. Do you think I plan to take another 100 grand and dump it in cannabis this year? No. Hell no. Especially when I could have made double my money just buying Apple. I'd rather buy Apple. I'd rather buy Facebook. I'd rather buy Tesla. They're all going up. Why am I going to waste my time buying T-God? They have no money. Facebook's making billions. Look at that chart. I'd rather buy Facebook. I've been talking to you guys about Facebook. It's one of my top 10 picks for January. They've been going higher. What about Tesla? Another one of my top 10 picks for January. Let's take a look at Tesla. Oops. It's the Italian one. They're in Italy. Look at Tesla. It's crazy, man. Tesla just keeps going higher, guys. It just keeps going higher and higher and higher. That was my number one pick for January 2020. And they are up over 10% since I did my video. What else can I tell you guys, man? Let's look at Apple. Apple bouncing around $2.99. Look at that chart. Straight up. Another one of my top 10 picks for 2020. What else? Is there anything else you guys want me to look at? Fox Ultra Feel says, a good long-term investment in silver is First Majestic Silver AG. Yeah, I'm familiar with First Majestic Silver. But these companies are very, very risky. And yeah, they've had a big move. Whew. From $5 to 11. Great pick. Great pick. Yeah, I remember when this was way cheaper. Oh my goodness. What a move by First Majestic Silver. Look at this. It was at $3 in 2016. Went as high as 20. In 2016. Been as low as $4 last year. And here we are now at almost 12. Great pick. Great pick, First Majestic Silver. Really good pick. Alberto Ramos says, Rich, skipping work to join the show, bro. LMC, brother, almost doubled since you pinned it on one of your videos. LMC. Leah Gold Mining Corporation. Gotta love gold, man. Look at this. Gotta love gold, guys. Look at this. In May of this year, it was at 160. Now at 327. Gold, man. Gold. Lucky Dog says, 2020 goal, I am back to Momo trading, proper position sizing this year. I am realizing my inner intraday trader, weehaw. Ricker says, VSBGF, thank you, brother. VSBGF. Visibility Group, one that I brought you guys. Up 12% today. Definitely coming off a bottom here. And starting to do much better. So this hopefully is a sign of them moving in the right direction. NC stock is up 33%. NC. NC? Who's NC? Oh, I put HC. NC. Oh, NetSense. Okay. NetSense, another one of my picks. I brought you guys, and they're coming up from a bottom, and they're up 33%. NetSense Technology, another crypto stock And you guys know I love crypto. But if you're going to buy crypto, my opinion is buy Bitcoin. I told you guys Bitcoin is going to be halving March 20th, 2020. I told you Bitcoin is going to blow. I told you 2020 is going to be a huge year for Bitcoin. I've been 100% correct again on my call with Bitcoin. As you could see here, Bitcoin has been flying. Let's take a look at the last 3 months. So in my opinion, you buy the dips. 6,600 is a great entry for Bitcoin. 65, 6,600. Even if you can get in at 6,900. And look at that move. You get in at 6,900, it goes up 1,000. That is a massive move. On a move like that with my trading academy, you can make a killing on a move like that. On a small trade of only $1, you could easily make thousands of dollars on a small investment. If you buy this dip and it runs, you literally can make $1,000 betting $1. Like, that's crazy. So Bitcoin, but you could also lose $1,000 betting $1 if it goes down. So be careful with that. But if you want to learn how to trade Bitcoin, let me know. We do trade Bitcoin through our trading academy. I can literally buy Bitcoin right now. But I'm not going to because it's too high and I don't want to buy anything at the top. Let's take a look at gold and see if it's in a better range. Oh, gold's still too high. So gold's still too high. It did consolidate a little bit, but not where I want it to. And as you can see, it's too high in this range. I'm not interested in buying in this range. This is the top. So, you know, if I would be interested in shorting, I would short it from these levels back down to these levels, but I'm not interested in shorting because gold is on an uptrend. I'm not going to short anything that's on an uptrend. That's not my style. I don't like to go against the momentum. The momentum is up, as you can see here. Why would I short this? I'm not going to short this when all the indicators are pointing to the sky. You know, something that's gone up 100 points like this, I'm not going to short it because it could go higher. I wouldn't be surprised to see it hit 1,600 just on momentum alone. So the last thing I want to do is short it. What I'm doing is I'm waiting for dips, and every time it dips, I'll buy it. Here's Shop, another one of my stocks that I gave you guys. One of my picks for January 2020. They're green. They've been climbing since I brought you this pick. So a lot of the picks I've been bringing you guys have done extremely well. If there's any other picks you want me to look at, please let me know and we'll look at it live. Steven says, keep preaching, Rich. It is so hard for Canadians to buck up and buy the big stocks, the big US stocks, but it's always been the place to be. I mean, where else would you want to be? I mean, you can buy Facebook, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Shop, Tesla, Apple. They're all in America. So yeah, that's where you want to be. Let's be honest. America is the biggest market for the stocks in the world. Nobody's even close. So yeah, you want to be there. GBTC, another one of my picks that I've been bringing you guys. I've been telling you guys that GBTC is going to blow. They're up 7% today. I was telling everybody when they were at around $7-8, it was a buy. They're almost at 10. And I told you guys, if and when Bitcoin explodes, due to Bitcoin having March 20th, 2020, which is right around the corner, GBTC will explode with it. Okay? Thank you for the picks. Lucky Dog says LABU inverse head and shoulders waiting for a pullback. LABU. Yeah, I mean, I could see a pullback here to like 53. Currently at 56. I could see them doing a pullback to 53. Mind you, the indicators are very bullish right now for the most part. So I wouldn't be surprised to see it go a little bit higher first before it consolidates. VU. Hey, Quentin, how you doing? VU, Vanguard Index Funds. $296. Yeah, been absolutely flying. Great pick. Great pick. Alberto Ramos says TCAN on its way to tripling in like 2 weeks. Yeah, TCAN has been doing some crazy moves, man. Up and down and up and down and up and down. Wow, $1.70, eh? This thing's nuts. It was at 58 cents in December, now at $1.70 and up 6%. Wow. T-Can. Good pick, man, there with T-Can. What price do you think Tesla going to hit in the short term? I think it's going to go to 500. I made the prediction that Tesla was going to go to 1,000. That's a long-term prediction. I think short-term it goes to 500. We're at 463. I think next stop is 500. That's why they're my number one pick for January 2020. PACD. Thank you guys for sharing your picks. I really appreciate it. Pacific Drilling SA. $5.29, down 16%. It's definitely at a bottom. Holy smokes, this thing was really high. Like, what the heck? Yeah, it was at 294 in December, now at 529. Nice pick here. You guys are good, man. This community's special. You guys are finding some good picks. Oh, look at gold shooting up again. It just does not want to go down. Gold does not want to go down at all. Let's see here. Another one of the songs from Ill Kid.
Some of you may think we're not overly special.
Oh, you're special. You're very special. NRZ. Inverse. You guys like these ETFs, eh?
Rich forever, man. Damn, we in the game. See, we won't ever change. Here we go again. Rich forever, man. Damn, we in the game. See, we won't ever change. Here we go again. Rich gang. Here we go again. Stock market is climbing. Dancing like Rick James. Here to give you the big picks. Everything on the wish list. No L's over here. Just big checks. Baby went up 10%. Time now to take a risk. Send a business on the rise. Make sure it's on your watch list. Neuran wireless. Ignite International. Tech Central Inc. is on point. Never irrational. Halo Labs. That's a plus. Can't trust. No bust. Rich TV. Magnificent. For big pitch. You're joining us. Hit the like. Hit subscribe. Watch the video one more time. If you feel what others feel, then share that shit right up online. Thumbs up. Never thumbs down. Trolls lurking. So our clowns always hate cause they love our sound. You know that it's going down. That's how it is, how it was. On now, you feel the buzz. Press play, never pause. Bring gifts like Santa Claus. This Rich TV, man. Hit subscribe, man. Hit that like button and comment below. You know? Let's go! Rich forever, man. Damn, we in the game. See, we won't ever change. Here we go again. Rich forever, man. Damn, we in the game. See, we won't ever change. Here we go again. Verse 2. Watch how I burst through. Word stay bulletproof. Lit up like 100 proof. Long range like a gunna do. Getting money up under you. You know my name, you know the face. New is the fucking crew. I get rich like all of the time. Get up on your grind. Send an email, comment below. Rich TV, this is the show. Rich forever, man. Damn, we in the game. See, we won't ever change. Here we go again. Rich forever, man. Damn, we in the game. See, we won't ever change. Here we go again. Rich forever, man. Damn, we in the game. See, we won't ever change. Here we go again. Rich forever, man. Damn, we in the game. See, we won't ever change. Here we go again.
That's Ill Kid. Shout out to Ill Kid. Wow, so much red today. Jeez. It's just sad to watch the cannabis sector just
Hey, you're
annihilated like
My
this.
name is Rob.
just getting annihilated. Just absolute. Look, even Labs, one of the best, annihilated. Chronos Group going down, one of the best. Billions of dollars going down. Valens, one of the best, going down. Planet 13 going down. Sundial going down. I mean, guys, don't you see that this is not where you need to be putting your money right now? And like I said, I'm not negative on cannabis stocks. I own a lot of cannabis stocks. I'm just being a realist as an investor. The shorters are living in the cannabis sector right now. They're living here. This is where they're making their money. And I don't see them going anywhere because the overall markets are still huge green. So if you're a shorter, why would you want to go and take a risk playing in a market where you're going to lose money when you could be playing in a market where you can make money? And that's why everybody is staying away from the broader markets. And as you can see, Tesla keeps climbing. Tesla keeps climbing, guys. Nobody's shorting these stocks right now. It's suicidal. It's suicidal. And investors are not suicidal. Only cannabis stock investors are suicidal. Buying even though they keep going down. We need to change the way we trade. We need to change the way we think. We need to change the way we invest. Look at Huge. I was on Twitter yesterday and people were saying that Huge was going to get shorted. Boy, were they wrong. If they shorted Huge, they're getting squeezed today. Huge is up 26%, despite the fact that they are not making any money. I mean, why? They got a tight float. They got a tight share structure. And clearly they're good at the markets. That's why they're on the NASDAQ. They're good at the markets. If they weren't good at the markets, they wouldn't be on the NASDAQ right now, despite the fact they have no revenue. They're better in the markets than a lot of people because look at their price. That's just a fact. Look at their price. You want to short this? Go right ahead. You're probably losing money right now if you're shorting this. Guys, I just dropped a link to my trading academy. If you guys would like to join, I would love to work with you guys and help you guys take back your freedom. Lit is doing mushrooms, L-I-T-T. I just want to see what else is green here. Facebook's green. Disney, another one of my picks for January 2020 is green. Uber's green. TTWO, Take-Two Interactive Software is green. Tencent is green. Gaming company. Grayscale Ethereum is green. Gold Trust is green. Green. GBTC is green. Scott's Miracle Grow, one of the biggest cannabis company in the world, is green. Air Canada is green. HMJI Inverse ETF is green. Litecoin is green. XON is green. First Majestic Silver Corp is green. Canada Goose is green. Silver's green. CrowdStrike Holdings, CRWD, is green. Biogen Inc. is green. Next Tech AR Solutions is up 10%. They are green. Nokia is green, up 3.9%. US dollar versus Japan is green. Snapchat, I told you guys I like Snapchat. They're going to be at $17 soon. They're green. BLOZF, a breathalyzer for cannabis drivers, is green. Don't smoke and drive. ZSAN is green. Village Farms is green. NetSense is green. Leah Gold Mining Corp is green. TCAN is green. SDC is green. Sir Royalty Income Fund is green. OPP is green. AT&T, one of my top 10 picks for January 2020, is green. ABIO is green. ATVI is green. Kushco is green at 168. That's a really good price for Kushco. Wayland is green at 5%. Standard Lithium, starting to climb, is green. CV Sciences up 3%. They're green. GGB is green. Dynacert has been climbing up. They're green, up 4%. Delta 9 is up 6%. They're green. OWCP is green, up 50% today. They had a huge run up and a huge consolidation, and now they're going up again. Bevcana is up 6%. They're green. PCY is up 4.5%. VSBY is up 6%. Enthusiast Gaming, one of my picks, gaming company, is green, up 1%. CBDS is up 3%. Baby is green, up 4%. Emerald Health Therapeutics is green, up 4%. KG is up 16%. N-Wave is up. New Wave Esports is climbing, guys. I brought you guys this pick, and I told you that they're going to make a run here. Now up 12%, and now at 9 cents, a gaming stock. I think the future is bright for New Wave Esports. They are making a move. Congratulations to anyone who took advantage of this. Alefia's up 1%. Chemistry's up 9%. Medman's up 1%. WMD's up 1%. Vitality Biopharma is up 40%. Baby up 2%. Medman up 1%. IoT Crypto up 4%. Mentor Capital MNTR up 10%. Grown Rogue up 2%. ONTX up 1%. Veritas Pharma up 5%. IGNG up 8%. CMC up 6%. InMed Pharmaceuticals up 2%. Vivo Cannabis up 2%. Namaska Lithium up 3%. Next Greenwave Holdings, NGW, up 5%. CSM up 11%. EPY up 12%. Lightlink Technologies up 7%. Choom Holdings up 6%. 48 North up 1%. US dollar versus the Canadian dollar is green. Naturally Splendid up 8%. British Pound up versus the New Zealand dollar. This is Forex. M Jardine up 2%. Emerald Health. Standard Lithium. Shrimp is up 1%. Sears is red. Delray Metals up 11% at 2 cents. Sing is up 25% under a penny. Careful there. US dollar. Netlist. Pot Network. Omeg. GTech Holdings is one a lot of people have been promoting on Twitter. They're down 2%. Thank you guys for your feedback. LK. Luckin Coffee. Take a look at LK. Luckin Coffee. Interesting. Yeah, it's been doing well. Interesting pick. DFFN is up 14%. DFFN. Diffusion Pharmaceuticals. DFFN up 13%. Frank says Snap could be a great pick moving forward as far as augmented reality. They are the true leader for the sector. I love Snap, and I've loved them since day one, and I think they're going to go way, way, way higher. Frank says, love how you're always learning and teaching, Rich. Keep up the great work. Appreciate it. Hey, appreciate you guys. Thank you guys very much. I am going to go back to doing my own trading right now. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. I want to go back and do some gold trading and join the team and do some trading because we're getting lower right now. We're getting into a range where I might want to buy. And if you guys want to join me, like I said, feel free to join me in the link that I shared or email me at richtvlive@gmail.com. I have a team of beautiful, intelligent ladies that will contact you and walk you through the process and help you get set up and help you learn so you can have an amazing start to your career and your trading academy. Because why wouldn't you invest in yourself to have more tools to make money when markets are running? That's the strategy. It's very simple. I think it makes a lot of sense. And I don't see why people won't invest in themselves. I'm willing to invest in myself to get better results as an investor, as a trader. So I can literally do it anywhere in the world, right from my phone. If gold is hot, I can make money on gold. If oil is hot, I can make money on oil. If silver is hot, I can make money on silver. Look, see how gold is falling? This is where I want to buy. I want to buy at the bottom of this dip. This is what I've been waiting for. So I'm waiting, but I want it to drop further because it's still too high. I would like to buy it. I'd like to buy it here. Between 1563 and 1555 is where I like to buy it. So I'll back test it. I'll go all the way back and I'll see, okay, right here was the bottom. Look at this. This was the bottom last night at 6 p.m. It was at 15.55. It had a huge drop. It was way higher yesterday. Look at this. It was at 15.68 at 10 a.m. And then by 6 p.m., it hit 15.55. And then by midnight, it was back to 15.70. So it makes these huge runs. I'm not going to be buying it to go up at these higher levels. I want to buy the dip. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to be patient. And I can literally make a small fortune just buying this dip. If it hits this region, I want to buy it and then ride it back up to 15.70 range. Quinton says buy THCX while it's down. Yeah, I think that if you're going to be investing in cannabis, you got to think more of long term right now. I don't think short term it's the best place to be. I think there's better opportunities. Bitcoin, the broader markets, companies like Tesla, companies like Facebook, companies like Apple, companies like Nokia and 5G. I think short term right now they've got more power, momentum. GBTC, if you believe Bitcoin's going to go higher, which I do. 5G stocks. The broader markets. And I do believe some of the best cannabis stocks will take off as well. I'm going to show you one that I really, really like. IIPR. Let's take a look at them. Here's IIPR, guys. This is one of my top picks for 2020. I think this bad boy goes way higher. Way, way, way higher. And they're staying at this range despite the fact that most of the cannabis stocks have been going down. These guys are staying resilient and staying strong because they're really good company. They're in real estate. They're paying a dividend. They got a tight share structure. And remember, the market is all knowing. So there's some big guys involved in this company and they want to see it succeed. That's why it's trading so high. Can I show you what the Academy platform looks like? I can show you my website. But no, I can't show you the Academy platform because you have to be a member to actually get access to the tools. But I can show you, this is what my website looks like. And I'm not going to go in and show you all the tools, but I got a lot of tools. But yeah, I'm not going to do that right now. Maybe one day I could show you like some of the tools. Like we have all these different products, all these different scanners that are giving us buying algorithms, trading software that are giving us tools and telling us when to buy, when to sell. These are all different tools that we're going to literally teach you how to trade, how to buy dips, how to use pivots, how to use the harmonics, how to use all these different indicators to make money. There's so much to learn when it comes to trading, guys. And I've just opened up an entire world of opportunities for myself. And I've only been doing it for a month. And we already have 18 members on the team. And I plan to go way bigger, way faster. And my goal is to work with you guys. Trade with you guys every single day. So while the cannabis stocks are down, we're making money buying gold. We're buying Tesla. We're buying Facebook. We're buying oil. We're buying silver. We're buying whatever we want to buy that is hot. And we can make money down. So if the market crashes, we can make money on the way down too. And I decided to do this and there's 100 mentors in this academy that are doing live trading every day. So you can literally be learning from other mentors that are trading live every day, like Alex Morton, the Tapia family. These are mentors that are trading live every day, and I can literally just watch them while they're live. I can't show you their live streams because that's proprietary. You have to be a member. Once you become a member, I will plug you into the system and I will show you how to watch their live streams. And it's pretty amazing. And I love the fact that you can make money without actually having to sell any products. I love the fact that you don't have to sell any products. You don't have to leave your home. You can make money anywhere in the world while you're traveling. Anywhere in the world where you are, you can literally be making money. And they have all different types of levels of the academy. And I'm building my business really quickly, so we're growing really fast in the academy. Infinite Possibility says the shorts have walked away with 933. Happy Glass says For that, I can see the value of the charts and the training to read them. Everybody follows the charts. So if we do not know how to read, then we miss the cues. Exactly. So what I have is I actually have mentors that are giving me those cues, and they're literally giving me buying picks and signals every day. I don't even have to think. I can just follow them and win. This is revolutionary. There is no other academy in the world that is doing this. That is why in 7 years, this academy has grown to over 100,000 members and a $250 million a year business in only their 7th year as academy, and they're in 100 countries. So I'm very excited to be a part of this academy and grow with this academy and have our members within the Rich TV Live community grow with me within this academy so that you can have your own trading academy and you can run your country. You could be doing seminars and events and trading students in your country, in your city. It doesn't matter where in the world you are. We have members right now in our academy within Rich TV Live in the UK, in Canada, and the United States. Already 3 countries, despite the fact we've been doing it for 1 month. That's all I got to say. Fat Nut says FSD Pharma 50%. I told you guys yesterday, but anyway, good morning, Rich and community. You called FSD Pharma? Good call, brother. Good call, man. All right, guys, I'm going to go back to trading. I want to buy some gold. Look, gold is falling. Gold is falling. XAUUSD. And there's gold right there. Gold is falling. And see how the indicators are starting to point down? Look at this. See the CCI? It's starting to point down. The OBV is still pointing up. The ROC is starting to turn down. And the CMF is kind of turning down. So this could be a trend reversal. Mind you, gold is so strong right now, I don't think it's going to go down a lot. I think it probably goes maybe down to this region and then bounces up. That's what I'm thinking. Because, I mean, it's very bullish. Look at the way it's climbed up here. I think it's probably going to come down and then shoot up again. I mean, I might be wrong, but that's kind of what I'm thinking. Look, it's already starting to do a buy candle here. So I don't think it's going to come down too much, but I might be wrong. I hope it does because I want to buy it around here. But I just have a feeling the way it's been trading that it'll probably maybe breach 170, but probably not. It might even bounce up from here, but I'm hoping it goes down so I can get in and then get a nice big win. Okay, guys, have yourselves a great day. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for being here. If you're not winning, you're not watching. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace. Let me give you guys some music, and we'll leave on style. Look at that. Gold is back down to 1571. It was at 1573. I told you it was going to come down, and it's coming down exactly as I said. I do not want to take a trade at all-time highs. These prices right now are the highest it's been in 7 years. So you need to be very careful. You want to buy the dips, okay? Let's see here. This is my favorite song. Shout out to Ill Kid. I love this song.
Some of you may think we're not overly special.
How you doing, Infinite Possibilities?
I don't do this for the clout. I don't do this for the clout. You can just get off my cloud. You can just get off my cloud. Haters stop bringing me down. I know you loving the sound. I know you loving the sound. Baby, just look at me now. Henny in my cup, yeah, straight up. I don't fuck with no ice cubes. Diamond stay dripping. I'm a white boy, nice whip with some nice moves. Bruce Lee smoking loose leaves. You swear I'm doing some kung fu. Got a trunk full of birds. Sit down, we playing duck, duck, duck goose. Yep. I ain't beginning, I've been here before. Haters are mad, will I even the score? I lay on the beach, take a peek at the shore. My wife is a diamond, you sleep with a whore. My butler is serving, my chef, he stay cooking. The maids are so dirty, that mean they good looking. And if you get caught, then you best to be cooking. The recipe dope, yes, it has been tripping. This is no kid and play, I got shit to say. I got homies in the CFL to the NBA, word of juice anyways. I don't do this for the clout. I don't do this for the clout. You can just get off my cloud. You can just get off my cloud. Haters stop bringing me down. I know you loving the sound. I know you loving the sound. Baby, just look at me now. Talking my shit, this a rocket shit. 3 seconds, I'm a blast off. Alpha Omega, see I am the past, present, future, really no mask off. Fucking with rich, we getting rich. silly how many trolls trying to tag along. Blaze through, then I'm back again. I got the keys and you can't get in. I do not take an L, so I just had to win. I run with killers and shooters and savages. I do not listen to you. I do not miss off the cue. I'm in the midst of Peru. Make no mistake, you in the lake, so they go fishing for you. Shooting like my name is Juice. Yo, I mix and produce. Christopher's loose. Listen to haters, they broke, but it's funny. I'm getting money like I'm Mr. Magoo. Greedy as fuck, but I'm humble as shit. I'm lyrical with it, you mumbling shit. Ghostwriters writing up all of your head. Your bitches will
Woo, Tesla, let's go!
do this for the clout.
My number one pick is bringing returns to investors. Congratulations to everybody who got in Tesla. Let's go, champ. I'm out. Peace. Definitely rule number one, do not lose money. If you were in the cannabis sector in 2019, you probably lost money. 2020, we're here to win. We got to appreciate our money, and we can't just throw it into cannabis stocks and hope to get rich. That was a big mistake in 2019. In 2020, we're here to win. Let's go, champ. Tesla, Facebook, gold, silver, they're all on fire. Let's win, baby. I'm out. Peace. Tesla just keeps going, man. Maybe I'll buy some Tesla. All right, guys. Hey, you guys want to join the academy? Email me, richtvlive@gmail.com, or I'll drop the link. And you have a link in the description down below. Love to work with you guys. Love to trade with you guys. Let's win, baby. And let's take our freedom back, man. Because at the end of the day, I ain't here to work for no one but myself. So if you guys want that freedom too, holler at your boy. For a few $100s, you can actually gain access to freedom and gain access to all of the tools of the gods right on your phone. You could literally be buying Tesla right now and making money. I'm out. Peace.